हाय दिस इज़ फारा खान एंड वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आप सोच रहे होंगे कि आज मैं इतनी तैयारी क्यों कर रही हूँ। मैं एक्चुअली आई हूँ क्रोमा के पार्लर बिकॉज आज के जो गेस्ट हैं वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा फैशनिस्टाज फ्रॉम हाई सोसाइटी और मेरे बहुत अच्छे दोस्त हैं और आज मैं उनको ऐसी जगह लेके जा रही हूँ जो उन्होंने सोचा भी नहीं होगा, क्योंकि उनको लग रहा है वो जाने वाले हैं एंड दे गोइंग टू ईट सुशी एंड दे गोइंग टू हैव कैवियर। ऐसा कुछ नहीं होने वाला है। सो लेट्स गो फॉर अ फैबुलस लंच with the Bollywood vibe. अरे we are going to Shri Thakkar Bhojanalaya just come. What? Shri Thakkar Bhojanalaya best veg thali in the city. Good over here.
The mango curry is to die for.
There's amras, there's mango curry, there's Gujarati dal, Gujarati curry. खट्टा आम का समथिंग भिंडी मिक्स कठोर.
You know, Bara says I want to ask you something, then he goes back to eating.
Yeah.
Forget.
I think you're high on food.
Yeah. X-rated show.
I'm a I don't know what Ubed is doing. Let's go, girls.
Chalo, let's go. Let's go.
गॉड मैं कहाँ फंस गई. तो आई एम वेटिंग आउटसाइड महीप कपूर हाउस, उनकी बिल्डिंग में. और महीप कपूर बहुत टाइम लेती है आने को. शी हैज टू डू अ लॉट ऑफ स्टफ. शी हैज टू पुट ऑन अ मेकअप.
Looking like a baddie, I show up and make them stop. Wanna know my name so badly, cause I run this whole block.
Mahip is my best friend, my favorite Bollywood wife.
Say it in front of them that I'm your favorite.
Okay.
Don't do it behind their back, huh?
Yes, I will be. How are you, my dear?
Where are we going?
Wow, how sexy are you looking? You're fully ready for Shri Thakkar Bhojanalaya. Let's go.
But I hope it's diet. Because
Diet?
Looking like a baddie, I show up and make them stop. Wanna know my name so badly, cause I run this whole block. Flip my hair.
वाह वाह, तू लग रही है मिर्ची. भावना,
She's dressed like Ranveer Singh's sister.
I don't mind.
Sister.
My favorite two Bollywood wives.
let it be yours.
Don't tell Mahip she
You
did
know,
not
Farah, I was going to wear a nice salwar kameez for you.
But then you
Then,
decided.
no, when I was stepping out, Chunky said, "Are you going for satsang?" So I changed quickly.
I'm joking!
I'm very excited. What kind of food is it?
It's caviar, sushi, and
In bite, kala.
udon noodles.
Okay, I'm going up then to eat.
Arey, we are going to Shri Thakkar Bhojanalaya just come.
What?
I'm going back to
She's trying to kill us. She's trying to kill us.
Come on.
Mara, we don't have to cook, no?
Shut up now, just
I
get
don't
in.
want my channel to shut down by making you cook.
Farah,
Get
I've not
inside the
eaten
car.
since last night.
So finally, the last Bollywood wife को pick up कर रहे हैं. The most famous Neelam Kothari, my favorite Bollywood wife.
Looking like a baddie, I show up and make them stop. Wanna know my name so badly, cause I run this whole block.
Farah, I heard that. मैं वापस जा रही हूँ. I heard that. मैं वापस जा रही हूँ.
जो फेवरेट है ना सबको बोलती
तुम लोग मेरा favorite
कमी नहीं है,
हो,
कमी नहीं.
सब लोग आप मेरे favorite
बंद
हो.
कर दूँ.
I'm taking you to eat Gujarati food because she's the only Gujarati in this group.
They don't know where to
Kothari.
You would take us for Lagan Nu Bhonu.
Lagan nu bonu.
अरे उसको
Nobody is getting married unfortunately in this weather.
Thank God.
Thank God. Shri Thakkar Bhojanalaya best veg thali in the city.
Should I wear this?
Not at all.
They're waiting in line.
I did like they eat the food and then they have to go to the doctor.
This is the best.
Seema,
veg
you're
thali
sounding like
in-
a
Chalo,
big
let's go.
snob.
Shall we
It
go?
better Yeah.
Listen, Faru, this is mind blowing.
I did 15 days trip with them, 10 days trip. They've only spoken about diets and skin.
Today no diet. I want to talk to you about your sex life. So,
While eating in this Bhojanalaya.
so there will be silence for 15 minutes.
Already staring
There will be silence for 15 minutes.
Farah, they all heard the words like.
I thought it's vegetarian food, vegetarian conversations. Come
I
on,
said that we
Farah.
are having silence for 15 minutes.
तू समझा नहीं, तू समझा नहीं.
This is Krishna. He is going to look after us.
Thank you so much.
ये लोग सब डाइट पे है बोल रहे हैं.
Thank you for getting us out of line.
मेरे को ये चाहिए और ये चाहिए. This achar is to die for.
I've taken this.
I take in dabba and I go.
कच्चा साले
Listen, my mouth is watering. Hey, दे दो सब कुछ.
ढोकला
एक हाँ
two good over here.
बस
What is that?
And this ये कौन सा पकोड़ा है?
बस
दाल का पकोड़ा two good. Don't overeat the starter.
A few moments later.
आलू चाहिए मेरे को बहुत सारा. रस्सा मेरे को पनीर नहीं चाहिए.
Farah, you better tell me how to make the roast goddamn chicken.
I can't talk. They are talking too much. I don't know when we are going to talk because they are either mango curry चाहिए. Have the mango curry.
The mango curry is to die for.
First of all, I want to say these four fancy women who have come here. भाई बात करना.
I'm taking a picture.
There's amla, there's mango curry, there's Gujarati dal, Gujarati curry, खट्टा आम का something, भिंडी, आलू and mixed kathon. Told me that is Gautam. He is the owner of this place.
Delicious.
There's so many people waiting outside. So how fast? I mean, how long do they have to wait?
2 hours on Sundays.
Wow.
I come here at least now once a month or more.
Really?
Yeah.
I love Gujarati food. What do you not eat?
Sugar. Because I'm so sweet.
Sugar you don't eat.
Ghee. I don't like the smell and the taste.
And gluten?
That's avoidable. I can eat chawal. Why not?
Anything else you avoid besides men in your life?
Nowadays I'm avoiding people.
Very good. As long as you're not avoiding me, I'm fine. Humans. What can you not eat?
I eat everything. Can't you tell?
Really. Very good. Proud of you. Bhavna?
Kali guju
All
ka
I
dabba
want to
bhej
say
dena.
is I
Dairy.
can eat everything here.
Yeah, same
You give
here.
us free food and look at us.
I don't know who told them it's free.
Pay.
Someone tell them it's free. But tell me, when you all are shooting, जब तुम लोग shoot पे से पहले कितने महीने पहले और start dieting?
साल भर तो लगता है.
मतलब constantly you are dieting.
इस उम्र में तो साल भर तो लगता है.
I have called her for a wrong show. She doesn't talk while eating. She's busy with her hair. One is clicking pictures, and one is only talking to the waiter. So I don't know who I am talking to.
You are busy eating. You don't want to talk to us. Keep quiet.
Actually,
Okay, I want to ask you one thing.
Yeah.
Ask me too.
You know, Bala says, I want to ask you something, then he goes back to eating.
Yeah.
Forget. This is all you've been doing. You never count alcohol, the drinks, or your rotis. Remember.
All your men.
Neelam has gone red.
वो भी इंसान है.
Neelam, you've really gone red.
because it's spicy.
No.
It's the achar
It's
and
the
chili.
conversation about.
But I'd never date a vegetarian man.
Neelam, what is the first thing you cook for your husband?
First thing I made chicken stew for him. He was on a diet and I made him chicken stew with vegetables
Before your marriage or after?
before marriage.
And then he married you.
Then he married me and after
then?
that I've not cooked it at all.
Lovely.
So what did I cook first time? So we had bought a Hawkins set, remember? So I think, you know, it comes with a recipe book. So from there I made Rajma for him. First time, Rajma chawal. And he has never asked me to make anything for him again. I was so lucky, I purposely did that. I'm
Don't
never
tell
good
you
cook.
properly. God.
I made an ullu of my husband and got him to marry me. That's what I
That's what
made.
she has made for you.
I'm a better cook than these three, for sure.
I never said
I am so good.
During lockdown, I cooked
Ye moong dal
every
halwa.
single day.
Whenever you talk, Bhavna cuts you. Have you noticed?
Yes.
As soon as you start giving, sorry. This is a Purana heroine ka tactic.
Heroine. He's standing
Every time that one of your talks, you start praising the moong dal halwa.
During lockdown, I cooked every single day for Ahana and Sameer. I made butter chicken, biryani, desserts, and I became this fat. I was
Neil and me, we were on a cook show, no? We were doing cookery classes.
yeah online.
We did online cookery classes together.
Mahip has eaten nothing. Don't waste that amras. Give it to me. Don't waste that amras.
Amras I can't have.
Okay, girls, I want to know your new season is going to come. Who was the most irritating among not four, but there were three other new ladies?
You have to watch the show. We can't
Yeah, we can't say.
Yeah.
That's a spoiler alert.
Remove it. Yeah, remove it back.
I'm going from sugar to khichdi, sugar to khichdi.
You all have become very boring. I should not have brought you. I should have taken you all to drink.
Next time, take me to drink, na?
See now you all drink. I cannot afford it.
1942, 1942.
You can't afford it on the pocket or on the
So Farah
body,
said,
on the pocket.
Farah says I only have Donu here. Not 1942. I said it is 1942. Like, so you don't know your
I'm a
alcohol.
very middle class person.
I can see that. But my favorite is 1942. Whenever you take me out to drink, that's what I want.
1942 is the world ka most expensive tequila. I want to just say.
It's not.
No? Which one
अमीर
is
लोग
more?
की शराब.
और भी महंगे होते हैं.
God
होते
bless.
हैं.
Kindly tell me, I by mistake I may give her that.
But I've reached an age when you tell me to choose between alcohol and this, I'll take this any day. 100%.
If I tell you to choose between men and this, which will you take? This.
I'll choose alcohol.
Alcohol. Men, alcohol, or food, or what is your other? He doesn't drink alcohol. So.
ये भी कटोरा. I think this. I would choose this any day. I would choose food for
Bhavna would
sure.
not.
What would I choose?
Life is just
Alcohol.
You're right.
Bhavna would choose alcohol. She lives with Chunky. Hates the alcohol. Gautam, I think when you were younger, you had a crush on Neelam.
I did.
When he was younger.
I did.
Matlab,
I saw horror movies. I saw horror movies.
I also had a crush on her when I was young. How old have you made
No,
me?
but you're in the movie of 30 years
Now,
now.
Neelam, if you started at 16, what do you
Yeah.
expect?
You were 30 years old that time. Or 30 years ago.
I think you're high on food.
Yeah, Bhavna. What have you put in the
This is my
I've
drum.
had 3 or 4 of these.
Did I lie?
मैं हलवा नहीं खाऊंगी मेरे को मेरा अचार दे देना
मेरे को भी.
मेरे को भी, अच्छा.
अचार.
I want a chance. मुझे मेरा
But
बिस्तर
I also
चाहिए.
want the
कौन सा
honey
चाहिए
mix.
बिस्तर. Sunday.
Yeah.
How can you
Gautam,
she's telling Gautam मेरे को बिस्तर चाहिए what do you
I told you.
please take again retouch of the 4th time
You have not been
Without
so
looking
open
at-
on Bollywood vibes.
but I want to ask you that where is she going that 5 times she has touched up her lipstick
She's dodged, huh?
I get insecure without my lipstick.
but how can you apply it without looking in a mirror
It's
She's a pro.
what else can you do without looking in a mirror
I am now, you know the Kapoors, they're obsessed with the mirror.
And food.
I have, yeah, and food. So I've let the mirror go. I can do it without the mirror.
I didn't get that joke. Sorry.
You read it.
Gautam will explain it Gautam just explain it
छोटा बच्चा. मैं तो नन्ही बच्ची थी like that.
Neelam is blushing look at how she's going
No, it's not.
I must say
My
these
arm.
yellow nails, neon yellow nails.
Neon green I said ना.
But she doesn't want to be Ranveer Singh's sister.
भाई होगा तेरा.
Why you making her sister? Don't be
Not
mean.
really.
Naeem's already taken.
I'll take it.
There's enough of Ranveer to go around.
No. Not in this group. I put a stamp on Ranveer. No one touches him except me.
Not even Deepika.
Chalo, I let her.
First you touch him, then we'll see.
I like the way
Why?
she says
I touch him, I poured him many times. What is that?
already
Ranveer, I
I've done
apologize.
it.
for him.
She has?
Yeah.
Did
Like
he, I'm
rock,
sure he enjoyed
rock,
it.
Rock.
Did he enjoy it? I don't know what part you're touching and saying rock and all. Please, this. Children are watching my YouTube channel.
X-rated show.
Let me give you all your gifts. Ladies, thank you for coming. Shri and Sam, my dear friends, and it's Fab. There's also a tea set.
Oh, lovely.
Yeah. From Shri and Sam, thank you.
My box is a little smaller.
Because you're 2 people now, so 2 liters is enough for you.
This is like where I'm very tanhai.
खाना
Neelu,
भी
you
कब
want
कब
a big
बनाओ?
cooker or a small cooker?
I want big one.
Look at how much she eats. She needs a big one.
And I want a kadai and frying pan.
The microwave.
And a microwave.
Very Gautam, can you stop it? Gautam has become a manager.
But Farah, एक frying pan तो बनता है. She got a big cooker. I should get the
I'll
third
give you a
item.
frying pan also. Shri and Sam, please
Who are
send
not
5
eating.
liter cookers. I'll give you a big one.
have a very large family. Who are not eating?
There are only 2 people in our house right now.
मेरा ना
Can I just
give you a
Wait, sorry, Gautam.
Thank
Thanks
you,
for the food.
Farah.
Now I've eaten, so I don't.
Thank you, Farah.
Neelu, are you giving him?
What?
Gautam wants a cooker. He wants, why is he bringing lobster?
Why you guys? He must be having many cookers here in the restaurant. I'm not sharing mine.
I don't mind a small cooker. Add a frying.
Yes, even me. You can add a third
Why don't
item.
you all just write your put it in the suggestion box. There's a shredder underneath.
हम बहुत घरेलू लड़कियां हैं.
बहुत ही घरेलू लड़की है.
Solution to all problems is have a laxative. Seema. I'm telling you.
It's called pak pak. No, you can't have
What?
that.
It's called pak pak.
You can't have
Pakki,
lax.
pakki. Pakki. No. In Hindi, they have this powder called. I'm a
I don't know what Zubair is doing. Let's go, girls.
Chalo, let's go.